Are you thinking about undertaking a real estate development project but aren't sure how to approach the floor plans? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to share 7 floor plan decision-making tips that will help you maximize your project's potential. Let's get into it. Hey guys, Peter Kelly here from Little Fish Property Developments, helping you maximize the value of your land and generate wealth through low-risk residential development projects. We share everything you need to deliver successful projects time and time again. So if you're new around here, please hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notifications on so you don't miss a thing. Understanding your potential market and how they are going to live in their homes will go a long way to help you achieve a successful outcome as a property developer. Let's get into the developer floor plan tips. First off, you need to consider 3-bed versus 4-bed townhouses. We've found a good 4-bedroom home is always better in this situation. If we have the predicament of doing a good 3-bedroom townhouse or an average 4-bedroom townhouse, we always go with a good 3. Over our journey, we have found that the sacrifice is too great to be pulling from our other important areas such as our living, laundry and kitchen. All these other spaces you need to get right also. So remember, when doing your floor plans, if 4 beds isn't working and you are sacrificing too much, it will be critical that you revert back to a good 3-bedroom design. You'll be amazed how much more space you have in these other important spaces, and this will go a long way to help you achieve a successful result on your townhouses. Number 2 is your powder room location. We find here at Little Fish that these powder rooms are super important, as often the bathroom must be placed upstairs in these townhouses amongst the bedrooms. A powder room is super important to service the bedrooms and guests downstairs. It is also great for occupiers to be able to access and not have to go upstairs. The main thing with a powder room is its location and orientation. Ensure they're not in areas that face directly onto your living zones. Placing them in areas where they are private and tucked away and not obvious is definitely the go. Number 3, we are looking at downstairs versus upstairs master bedrooms. In my experience, achieving a double master floor plan is the ideal outcome. Having masters both up and downstairs means that you are appealing to both types of buyers, which is great if possible. If you don't have the space for 2 masters, then you need to gain a deep understanding of your marketplace, specific to the project's location. Not being able to make this decision without any data will cost you. So make sure you do the work, figure it out, talk to the agents, look at the sales history and build both quantitative and qualitative data to help you decide confidently. Number 4, you need to consider single versus double garages. As a rule, it would come as no surprise that achieving double garage designs where possible is always the best. But this isn't always possible. From my own experience, often it won't be. So as a rule, we consider the double garage first. Then we fall back from there. A double garage into a single garage, then into both singles. Often, you can get pushback building boundary to boundary. So rather than a fixed single or double garage, we would then look to do an open rafter carport to keep the width and push out onto the boundaries. For number 5, it's storage considerations. In these townhouses, storage is king. Not only should you deliver all the storage requirements in the obvious places, it's equally essential that you look for additional storage opportunities. Get creative. Provide storage options that not everyone would expect. Your buyers will love you for it, and in most cases, it won't cost you much. It will make you money. That I can guarantee. You don't get too many free hits in this property development game. You must take them when they are there. Upping your storage is a great free hit. Number 6 is your alfresco and outdoor living. These areas of your design are critical. You need to understand that many of these townhouse development projects have site coverage requirements, and often your design and layout will push right up to these requirements. So what we have found is the first thing to go is the covered alfresco. This means that you can put more space back into your living areas, bedrooms, your laundry, your kitchens, which means that they are going to make you money. Removing the covered alfresco still allows a dedicated space externally, but you will have open rafters. It will be an uncovered area, meaning it will not add to your site coverage calculation, but it will still be a dedicated space to use externally. So it's like having your cake and eating it too. Number 7 is the importance of a home office. In the past, this aspect of the design has only been utilised when there has been leftover space in your footprint. In recent times, it's never been more essential to offer occupants, families and professionals the space to set up their home offices to provide that work from home option. So, it has become a non-negotiable in your design and layout. We work hard to make this space a genuine office that can be shut off from the rest of the house rather than just a study nook when it makes sense and is possible. And lucky last, number 8, reverse living. Reverse living is the opposite of what we call traditional living. For traditional, your living areas are on the ground floor and the bedrooms are on the first floor. Reverse living we use when there is an aspect. For example, if you are looking over a park or looking over water or anything that has a significant views and outlook. This type of design may be utilised in these occasions. As a rule, traditional living is more sought after unless there is a significant something to look at. So don't overthink this. A traditional living unless you have a good reason to go reverse. That's it, guys. That's a wrap. Hopefully you're getting a ton of value from these training videos. We love making them. So if you have any questions or topics that you'd like us to tackle, please drop them in the comments box below. And of course, if you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button and turn the bell notifications on so you don't get left behind. I'm Peter Kelly. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy developing.